Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to CTY online education program. For this third term, this is 5th week for SS2 class. The topic of our discussion this morning is environmental resources. Environmental resources refers to any useful item in the environment, and these materials that are useful to man. Environmental resources are useful items, both living and non-living things, occur naturally within a particular geographical area, which are of benefit to man, animal, and plant. Environmental resources can also be any useful item that can be found in water, the atmosphere, vegetation, and land. Types of environmental resources. There are 5 main types of environmental resources, and these include atmospheric resources, water resources, vegetation resources, human resources, mineral resources, land resources. What are atmospheric resources? They are those elements such as wind, water, sunlight, and gas found in the atmosphere, which are useful or beneficial to man, animal, and plant. Types of atmospheric resources. Number 1, we have atmospheric gases, e.g. oxygen, nitrogen, CO2, water vapor, ozone layer, and some inert gases like neon, argon, and helium. Then we have wind, we also have rain, we also have solar energy. What are the importance of atmospheric resources? Atmospheric resources such as gases, e.g. oxygen, is used by plants and animals for combustion. It also supports burning of materials. Oxygen supports animal life. Oxygen combined with water vapor for chemical weathering. It is useful for medical purpose. 2. Carbon dioxide. It combines with water to produce chemical weathering. Green plants absorb CO2. CO2 absorbs it to control atmospheric temperature in the carbon cycle. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is required by plants for the manufacture of protein. It combines with water to produce food for plant growth. Nitrogen of soil can be converted into nitrite. Nitrogen gas is used in electric weathering. Ozone layer. It acts as blanket to the earth. It protects the earth and living things against the burning effect of the sun. Water vapor. It is important for rain formation. Water vapor moderates atmospheric temperature. Rain provides water. It provides water for agriculture. It reduces temperature. It fills the rivers with water. It is a source of underground water. Sunlight or solar energy. It provides solar energy for drying clothes and agricultural produce. It is useful for heating, cooking, and cooling processes. It is useful for generating electricity. It is required by plants for photosynthesis. It also provides vitamin D. It is used for removing salt from seawater. Wind. It can be harnessed and used for pumping water. It aids drying of clothes and crops. It is used in meteorological studies. It aids sailing of ships and aviation. It is useful in pollination. It is used for sporting, e.g. yachting. It is used for dispersal of wind and seeds. Problems involved in harnessing solar energy. Number 1, poor technological know-how, such as storage. Number 2, inadequate capital, that is, high cost of enhancing solar energy. Fear of competition from established energy sources, e.g. coal, gas, etc. Unreliability, e.g. during period when sun is not overhead. What are the effects of human activities on the composition of the atmosphere? Number 1, emission of carbon dioxide through the burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, uses of chemicals, biological and nuclear weapons, release of toxic waste, bush burning, pollutant emitted from mining and construction work, pollutant emitted through industrial activities. This is at the point we're going to stop for today. We We shall continue next time on other types of environmental resources. Until then, have a nice weekend. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.